Welcome back to a windstorm part 3 of our windstorm coverage. And as you can see, the winds are blowing out the southwest, looking to their strength and skill and valor. They ruled the unknown back before them. And yeah, the winds are coming out of the west at 60 miles per hour, and the winds are blowing. And listen. The wind has increased with the height, and they can feel more shifting, swaying the legs, but they have less room. That's a quote from Monument to the Dream about the building of the Gateway Arch by Charles Guggenheim. But the wind is at its strength, and the weather is threatening today. And that's the way it is. A goodbye for now.